In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Alibaba account. Use any browser on your smartphone, PC or tablet. Search for Alibaba along with your country name and visit your country-specific Alibaba website. Click on My Alibaba at the top of the page and you will be taken to Sign In. Sign in with your email and password. And when you do that, click on My Account at the top. Navigate to Help and then click My Account again. Under Personal Information section, select Member Profile. On the Member Profile page, find and click Deactivate Account. Before proceeding, read the details on what happens when you deactivate your account. You will lose both access to Alibaba and AliExpress. Enter your member ID or email address. Type Deactivate my account in the required content field and choose a reason for deactivating your account from the provided options or select Other and enter a custom reason. Click on Deactivate my account and a prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to deactivate it. Click OK, and that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to like and subscribe for more.